Nothing stirs the soul and inspires the mind quite like a beautiful garden.
And I believe that any outdoor space, whatever its shape or size, can become the perfect plot.
So my team and I are transforming gardens across the country
That's the challenge. Lovely.
to say thank you to some very special people. For the courage they've shown in the face of adversity.
Open your eyes now.
Oh, it's amazing.
This week, we're helping a fellow gardener and his family as they bravely cope with a life-threatening disease.
Gardening is an activity that we did together. I still want to do it together.
Turning their challenging plot
So this is as far as Malcolm's been able to go.
into the garden of their dreams.
You're doing something amazing for us as a family.
Open your eyes. Oh my God. Welcome to Love Your Garden.